G'day viewers, welcome back to the QXR Professor Files. I am your professor and I'm going to show you how to open an ampule. We've got two ways of opening an ampule around here. We can either use these or we can use an ampule opener. We've got one here from Snap-it, but they're not our sponsor. Hey Snap-it, get on board. So if we're going to use the Snap-it ampule opener, see the fluid in here? You'll get it out and sometimes there's fluid up there in the lid. Okay, so we're going to give it a shake like that. So all the fluid goes down into the ampule. Then we're going to put the lid or head into our ampule opener. And then we're going to put our little thumb, see here? See right there? It tells you where to break it. So sometimes on an ampule opener you'll have a little dot, so you match up the dots. But unfortunately, these ampules do not have dots, so you just shove it on in and snap. And there you go. So then, when you want to dispose, you just get your sharps bin and you put it in like that, and it pops on out. Should we just do one quickly again? Like shove it in, like shake, get it into the bottom, put your ampule opener over the top, snap back, as simple as that. And then dispose the lid in there for the person that's going to use it next time. If we're going to use our bare hands, we're going to get the ampule like this, and we're going to go snap. Sometimes you can give it a little flick like that, and it breaks off, as simple as that. One more time for all those that missed it. Snap, flick, break. So remember, shake, flick, break. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.